Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today we are at the Moose Cafe. If this is as fun as this sign is, we're in for a great time. Come on, let's go eat. He's welcoming me to the restaurant. This is a good sign already. All right, let's go. When you come in, you can see there's lots of items here you might get at the farmer's market or even a good souvenir. And as you enter the dining room, you'll feel like you're at your mama's dinner table. As we got to our table, and look what they brought us. Fresh, homemade biscuits. Look how fluffy. I mean, that's so fluffy, if I let go of it, I think it'll fly away. And apple butter, cinnamon apple butter. Oh, that smells so delightful. All right, I want you to look at that. Oh, yes, my. It's definitely cinnamon apple butter. There is a good amount of cinnamon in that. So if you're a cinnamon lover, you will die with this apple butter. What a good way to start a meal. Now, if you're here at lunch, you got a lot to choose from, and don't forget your fresh country sides. But if you're here at breakfast time or any time, because they serve it all day long, you got a ton of breakfast things to choose from.
Hey guys, I'm here with Bella, and she works here at the restaurant. So tell me, what is probably your favorite thing to eat here?
The meatloaf is definitely my favorite. It just is such a big portion every time you get it, and it comes with 2 fresh farm sides, and it's just so good.
Wife ordered the meatloaf, and most places just give you a slice. Not here. They give you your own loaf. I mean, this thing is literally 2 inches thick. And I'm gonna almost always order breakfast, and I got the Southern style breakfast. Do you see this? This thing's as big as 2 of my hands put together. That thing's gotta be, it's over 1 inch thick. That's almost 1.5 inches thick. There's not even enough room to put my biscuit and gravy on my plate with everything else. It's hanging off the plate. Look at this. Hash brown casserole. You can't even see the eggs. They're under the, look at that. Scrambled eggs, biscuit and gravy. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. I'll be back with you in a minute.
The buttermilk fried chicken is probably our most served thing. It's just, I guess because everyone dislikes it. It's what
Y'all, I figured out why they call this all day breakfast here. It's because they give you enough food. This is all you need to eat all day long. I've actually already, if you don't believe me, I've actually already eaten 4 bites of my steak, and it's still filling up my plate. I still don't have room for the hash brown casserole over here, which is the best hash brown casserole that I've ever eaten in my entire life. Oh, wow. I don't know what's in that. I can just tell you that there's probably a little old grandma back there that's cooking that up. And about half that bowl is filled with love. That's all I know.
Yeah, we get everything farm fresh from the farmer's market and everything, so everything's freshly cooked every single morning. We cut all the vegetables, all the fruits, everything fresh.
When you come to the Moose, be careful. You might grow antlers. I am coming to you a little defeated. I couldn't finish my plate. But I think I may have misordered. I think that they may have had, did they have a breakfast for 2? I think that's what I ordered maybe, because this is plenty of food for 2 people. If you come here, you could probably split your meal with somebody else. I want to eat every bite on my plate, but you would have to roll me out of here, and that wouldn't be very funny. All right, I'm on my way to the bathroom here, and I'll just stop by to say hi to my buddies here. Yeah, these are my buddies here. Yep. And I got some more buddies over here on the other side of the wall. Yeah, I got some pig buddies. Yeah, and I got some cow buddies. Yeah. All right here waiting for you while you're going to the bathroom. That's a lot of fun. Whew! I am up to here, and I'm happy about it because it was so good. But look at this. Voted number one. Voted number one. Best breakfast and best overall restaurant, and I can see why. I can see why for sure. You need to come find this place, the Moose Cafe. Look down in the description below for the address, and you can Google right here. You won't be disappointed, I promise you that. All right, guys, let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell because you never know when we're gonna be in your area. So give us a big thumbs up like, because that really does help the channel. And do you know of a place that is better than this, or another place that we need to come and try their food? Tell us in the comments below and we'll try to find it. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.